we really need to embrace the idea of men coming together in a forum like this one, which is a consultative forum, which also supports in helping men open up. And that's a key factor in engaging men, because at times we find that men face so many challenges, but they don't talk about it. I think first we need to look at the issue of stigma. Are we done with stigma and discrimination? You'll find pockets of stigma and discrimination, and men as human beings are sometimes scared of actually getting their status to be known, because the environment is not conducive for them to be able to open up about their HIV status.
Because men are not taught about issues of sex and sexuality and HIV and AIDS transmission and all that. And therefore, the things that we need to talk about, even during pandemics, not only COVID-19, I think it's important for us to shine a spotlight on men, because either they are transmitters, like we are saying, but they can also be susceptible in terms of their vulnerability as men. And therefore, during the COVID-19, the restriction of movement, the social distancing and all those kind of things, it made men to be within the confines of the home, and sometimes it was very difficult even to go out and seek services. The uptake of services by men, because again, remember, men's health-seeking behavior is normally not that very good. And during the COVID-19, it even became worse.